Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are making Shami Kebab, a dish that's originated in Al-Sham in Syria and introduced to Indian cuisine through the royal kitchens of the Mughal Empire. Let's get started. For the marination, take curry cut mutton with bones for the extra depth of flavor in your kebabs. To this, add washed chana dal that has been soaked overnight. Then add garlic paste, ginger paste, some yogurt to tenderize the meat, and some salt. Mix all the ingredients and then marinate for minimum 2 hours. For tempering, in a pressure cooker on medium heat, add some ghee. Then add shahi jeera, bay leaves, dried red chilies, a piece of mace, black cardamoms, a stick of cinnamon, cloves, green cardamoms, black peppercorns, some garlic cloves, roughly cut ginger, and one diced medium-sized onion. Fry these on high heat for 30 seconds until the fragrance from the spices fills your kitchen. If you prefer ground spices, you can do so, but since we will be cooking for a long time, all the flavors will be extracted from the whole spices. Add the marinated mutton and dal to the pressure cooker and fry with the spices for a minute. Then add 1 cup of water with the remaining marinade and stir. It is not necessary to add more water as the meat will release its water during cooking. Cover the pressure cooker and cook on low flame for 30 minutes. Once it's done, let the steam from the pressure cooker release naturally. If the meat falls off the bone, it indicates that the mutton is cooked through. Then mash the meat and dal with the masher and remove the bones and larger pieces of spices. The strands of meat that contribute to the unique mouthfeel of this kebab will be destroyed if blended in a food processor. Once the mixture has cooled, add chopped onions, chopped coriander leaves, chopped mint leaves, chopped green chilies as per your heat preference, and a whole egg to give softness. Mix all the ingredients until you reach the consistency where the mixture no longer sticks to your fingers. For shaping the kebabs, coat your fingers with some refined oil. Take a portion of the mixture and shape them into round patties. Then flatten them with your fingers to give it the classic Shami Kebab shape. Place your shaped kebabs on a plate covered in food wrapping paper to prevent them from sticking. Do the same process with rest of the mixture. For shallow frying, heat some refined oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, reduce the flame to low and gently place the kebabs into the pan. Fry for 5 minutes on one side before flipping to the other. Slow frying on low heat will give you Shami Kebabs that are crispy on the outside and succulently soft on the inside. Once the other side has been fried for 5 minutes, drain the excess oil from the pan and place it on a paper towel lined plate. Serve these kebabs hot with mint and yogurt chutney. Remember, food is not just about sustenance, it's about an experience, and Shami Kebab is an experience you don't wanna miss. Subscribe for more tasty recipes, and until then, happy cooking!